Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your account is signed in and Office is updated. This prevents version conflicts and missing features. Open the app you need: Word for documents, Excel for sheets, PowerPoint for slides, and pick a blank file or a template that matches your goal. Once done, enable autosave to OneDrive and select a sensible default folder. This protects work and makes collaboration seamless, so you don't lose edits and can share links quickly. Now focus on structure and clarity. Apply built-in styles and headings to organize content so it's searchable and consistent. Insert tables, charts, or images where data or visuals clarify your point, and use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+C/V and Ctrl+Z to stay efficient. Make sure to adjust page layout, margins, and fonts early so formatting stays stable. Then run spell and grammar checks. Once done, save different versions or use version history so you can revert if a major change goes. You wrap up by reviewing and preparing the file for others. Turn on track changes and add comments where you expect feedback, then protect document elements or set editing permissions. Export a PDF when layout must remain fixed, or share an editable link with specific access levels. If collaborators report issues, make sure to update Office first. If problems persist, repair the Office install or clear the cache. That troubleshooting step usually resolves sync and compatibility errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.